Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the Properties tab in the Global Configuration page. Okay, Properties, right here. Last one was General, this one's Properties. Auto Approve, that's pretty self-explanatory. It's just if you want it to auto approve properties that people add, or it will by default go to the super administrator and ask him to approve all the properties that other users add before they actually are displayed on the page. Show thumbnail is right here, whether or not you want to show thumbnail. And once I don't think I explained this a second ago, the Properties tab is really controlling the properties view, the properties, the listing, and then also each individual property view. This show thumbnail, yes or no, that was on that last page. Web link in a new window, if they click on a link, whether or not you want it to pop up in a new window or show up in the same window. Allow users to set display number. What that is that's this thing right here. You can disable that if you want to, by saying no there. Default ordering is how you want these properties to be ordered by default. Name, price, you can add different ones to this too. Ascending, descending. There they are, the optional ordering values. You can check on these if one of those ordering things is the suburb or the type or the when it was last modified. Show more information. What that is here, whether you want to show this description or not. Details settings. What this is details. That means if they click on this property, it'll bring them details. And right here, PDF icon, print icon, email icon. Those are these three right here: PDF, print, email. Show agent and show inquiry. What those are is if you scroll down to the page, there's the agent, there's the inquiry. You can tell it to whether or not you want to display those boxes or not. And the last thing on here is the photo settings. Save original is whether or not you want to save a copy of the image on the server before it gets resized by this field right here. And what this is every time you may have noticed when you uploaded photos, I know I pointed it out in one of the earlier videos, that it has that little box that said, or that little caption that said, all properties are it said something like all properties, according to your configuration, all properties are or all pictures are resized to 400 pixels. And what that is that's right here. If you change that to some other value, maybe 400, this isn't big enough. Maybe you want it to be 500 from here to here, or 700. That number really just depends on how you want your site to look. Thumbnail size, and this is width, not height. The height's variable. It'll change according to each picture. Thumbnail size, these down here, default at 120, which is, I think it's a pretty good size. But if you did want to mess with that, you could. And then the quality is the quality of the picture. That has a lot to do with the speed and of the site, because all this on here doesn't just happen. It's actually reading it from somewhere. The higher the quality of this picture, the longer it's going to take it to load. But it's default at 80, and that's a pretty good quality. That's it for this video, and I'll see you at the Companies and Agents tabs video.